Hi viewers, welcome to Bethelmatics Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to solve questions like this. So when you have a problem like this, using substitution method makes solving a question like this very fast. You can say, let x be equal to y squared. So that when we replace x in the whole of this equation with y squared, then simplifying it becomes very easier. So that means that we can now write that square root of, instead of writing x, since x is equal to y squared, I'll say y squared plus 9 plus square root of, instead of writing x is equal to y squared equal to 3. So this implies that square root of y squared plus 9 plus, so square, we cancel square root and we are left with just y is equal to 3. So move this y to this other side so that we can take the square of both sides so that the square can cancel square root. So that means square root of y squared plus 9 is equal to 3 minus y. So to remove this square root, I'm going to take the square of both sides of the equation. Square root of y squared plus 9 equals to 3 minus y. We square this side. We square this side. So that this square, we cancel this square root. So we are left with y squared plus 9 is equal to 3 minus y all squared. So the next thing is to expand this expression. It becomes y squared plus 9 is equal to 3 minus y bracket 3 minus y. Because a square means a times a. So same way, 3 minus y all square means 3 minus y in bracket times 3 minus y. So expanding these two brackets, it becomes y squared plus 9 is equal to 3 times 3, 9, 3 times minus 1, minus 3y, minus y times 3, minus 3y, minus y times minus y, plus y squared. Okay, so simplifying further, this becomes y squared plus 9 is equal to 9 minus 3y is minus 6y plus y squared. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to look for what is similar here and here, what is the same here and here, and cancel them out. So y squared is here, y squared is here. It is gone because of this equality sign. Plus 9 is here, plus 9 is here, it is also gone. So it means since nothing is left here, this is 0 is equal to minus 6y. For y to stand alone, we are going to divide both sides by minus 6, which is the coefficient of y. So that 0 is equal to minus 6y. So divided by minus 6, divided by minus 6. So minus 6, we cancel out minus 6, so that y is equal to 0, because 0 divided by minus 6 is equal to 0. So it simply means that therefore y is equal to 0. Okay, so let's now find the value of x, since y squared is equal to x. So if y is equal to 0, then it means that x is also equal to 0. So although both x is equal to y squared, so it simply means that if y is equal to 0, x is also equal to 0. And that works perfectly well because, let's verify. Okay, so let's verify. Since x is equal to 0, put 0 here. This is just square root of 9 plus 0. So square root of 9 is 3. So it means that this answer is very correct. So if you have any better way of solving problem like this, do well to communicate to us in the comment section below. So I believe if you follow from the beginning of this lesson to the end, you understood everything I just explained about solving a question like this. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.